The judicial system currently accommodates criminal courts and an election court, but if the Constitutional Commission has its way, it'll also include a court that specifically hears constitutional issues. Chairman of the Constitutional Committee, Mr. Sean McQueenie.
There should be provision made for a constitutional court. Now, this doesn't really require a constitutional amendment because this can be done within the context of the existing Supreme Court Act. But it's interesting, you know, that in the Constitution, we took great care in 1973 to create an election court to make sure that the MPs and would-be MPs were taken care of, but we don't have any mechanism for creating something as fundamental as a constitutional court. But happily, that is something which doesn't require a constitutional amendment. That can be done administratively by the Chief Justice.
Now, there was much discussion on same-sex marriage ahead of the Commission releasing its report. Some persons attending town meetings were of the view that adding sex as a ground for discrimination was a way to introduce support for same-sex marriage. Chairman McQueenie dealt with that concern this way.
This will not have the effect of rendering same-sex marriages okay. The Commission is very clear on this, that a proviso should be inserted to the effect that discrimination on the basis of sex, this new clause, this new ground that is being put in, that it is not the intention to change the existing law under which same-sex marriage is void.